and welcome to Ghana's best software tutorials bootcamp. My name is Kweku. I'm UX designer, a developer, and the lead instructor at Edutech GH Bootcamp, Ghana's best rated software tutorials bootcamp. I'm so excited to be your instructor for your tutorials journey. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and you can also request for special tutorials in the comment section below. Thank you. Hi. Is there anything that matters more than how your image looks? These Photoshop tutorials will help you to adjust your image using levels. With your image already open in Adobe Photoshop, go under Image menu, under Adjustment, and choose Levels. Or use the keyboard shortcut Command L on Mac or on PC Ctrl L. The first thing we normally do in the Levels dialog is expand the tonal range of the image by making the brightest part of the image as bright as possible without clipping the highlights, and then do the same thing to the shadows. What do we mean by tonal range? Tonal range is the number of shades between the lightest and the darkest area of an image. What do we mean by clipping? Clipping is a term used to describe an area of your photo that has been severely over or underexposed. Now let's get back to Photoshop. Press and hold the Option key on Mac or Alt key on Windows, and then click and hold the highlight slider. The highlight slider is the white slider beneath the histogram, like so. This turns the image black. Start dragging the slider to the left until you see white areas start to appear. Those white areas are warning, letting you know that those parts of the image have become so bright that they are clipping. So back off a little until they go away. Now do the same thing with the shadow slider, the dark gray slider beneath the histogram. But instead of turning black, the image turns white. Drag to the right, and as you do, the first thing that appears in black are the shadows clipping. So back off a little. Lastly, you can control the overall brightness using the center mid-tone slider, the light green one beneath the histogram. Now that I've said that, I want you to know that I rarely use levels in my own workflow. It's kind of old school way to adjust your images. The workflow today is to use Camera Raw. Either before you open the image or as a filter after it's already open in Photoshop. Find how to adjust an image using Camera Raw in a link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more tutorials.